is cryptocurrency mining profitable? Well, the answer to this question, like all good questions in life, is really, it depends. And that really depends upon two major things. How do you define profit? You know, are you happy making a couple of pounds a day, or are you looking at some much larger profits? And also, what type of time period are you talking? Because if you're thinking of making a real quick buck right now, here today, then maybe not. But if you're happy to kind of wait 18 months, 2 years for that investment to pay off, which in the grand scheme of things is quite a short amount of time, then yeah, cryptocurrency mining can be exceptionally profitable. So there are a few different things here that you need to kind of understand. Realistically, mining the biggest coins of the day for a kind of high yield investment and high kind of profit return completely depends upon the price of the coins in the market. So dependent upon where the wider cryptocurrency sector is, you're able to make either more or less each month. So as time of filming this is the kind of middle of 2020. We've had all the corona drama that was going on. Obviously things are quite difficult in global markets. At the time of filming this, there's going to be a much less pounds and pence earning on our devices because the value of all those coins has fallen substantially. Now the reality of it is that you're able to earn more coins in this time period. There's actually lots of advantages happening in the space right now. So even though the pounds and pence that you're earning right now, for example, aren't that great, in 2 years' time, retrospectively, because you've earned the most coins here, there's a very good chance that this could be one of your most profitable months if the market continues to move forward over that time period. So as everything, there's a little bit of nuance with this, and it's not something that you're ever going to make exceptionally quick money with, but there are opportunities to make vast amounts of money, particularly if you're happy to kind of turn up the risk a little bit and mine a brand new coin that's just come out. When a new coin comes out, it needs lots of mining power to kind of give it a kick to get it off the ground. And ultimately those coins maybe aren't even on the market, you can't even buy them yet. And what that enables you to do is if you've got a mining machine, you can turn it onto that machine, onto the algorithm rather, and you can get lots and lots of coins. Now at the time, they're not really worth a lot, but say 18 months, 2 years later, they can be worth an exceptionally large amount of money. So it really depends upon your propensity for risks. Do you want to go after the big stuff now and kind of get a constant earning? Do you want to go after the smaller stuff for a time down the line? Do you want a bit of this coin, a bit of that coin? You know, there is a lot of options here. Providing that the whole blockchain sector moves forward, you're always going to do pretty well if you own a mining rig, because there's lots of different companies that you can provide power to, as it were. No one should enter the cryptocurrency game, whether it be buying, trading, selling, or any type of coins, or really any type of investments in general, if you're looking for a quick buck. You know, the reality of it is with all things, education and timing really are key. So if you want to make money in a really quick way, ultimately, yes, that's possible in cryptocurrency, but it's really not the case for 99% of people. So if you're happy to do a short to longer term investment, we kind of say mid-term investments, realistically 18 months to 3.5 years is a pretty good time period in order to make some nice money in this space from historical records. So if that's the type of thing that you're interested in, yes, you can make money cryptocurrency mining. Yes, this might be something for you. Have a look around our website, have a look around the channel for some more questions that you might have burning at this time, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.